Hi, I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. We're coming to you today from our new office located just off of 99th Street and 62nd Ave. It's a great new space. We're excited to be here. It's more centralized in Edmonton. We have some more office space for us and a boardroom and a good place to give presentations to our clients. It's a work in progress. We still have some finishing touches to apply here at the office. But one thing we are excited about is my good friend Glen Ronald, who is a very prolific Canadian artist who was on my vignettes team in 2018 where we won People's Choice. He has graciously donated a few pieces to the office to put on display to help bring some color and some thought-provoking imagery into the space. And I'll show you one of my favorite pieces here. This one is called Totem Rising. It's very bold. There's a lot of symbolism within this piece and a lot of layers. There's a lot of depth within his artwork in general. This one, to appreciate it, if to see it up close, there's lots of faces within the headdress, and it's something that I often get stuck standing here looking at it. But in any case, we'd love to have you come by and come check out our space and take a look at these pieces that Glen has lent us. If you want to see more of Glen's work, check him out on Instagram or out at the Spark Center out in Sherwood Park. But please do stop by. We'd love to have you here, give you a tour, and yeah, we'll see you next time.